Isicefe kumele sinibangele sona futhi kuyaphoqa. Mawungafuni dlula. Njengoba nalezi imakethe enizibukayo ezithi dlanini imali yenu zingena kangaki nje lapho kuma television sets enu nala emafonini enu lezo market. Hamba obook, hamba odla lokhu, hamba ophuza lokhu, zingena kangaki. Angithi ingqondo ifunda nge-repetition. Awurepeat into ezokusiza-ke, hayi into ezokufaka koshaka abakhulu bakugwini. Lalela, angithi mina njengoba ngilungu ngithi-ke, think in terms of ownership, ne? Ungacabangi sokwe-consumer, cabanga sokwe-owner. Think in terms of ownership. Ngoba umqondo kumele ukuthi uphindaphinde into eyodwa ukuze ufunde. Yiko esokuphindaphindela lento le. Uzothi omunye-ke, yini lento changes osona asi-owne. Wavele phela umuntu osecabanga sokwe-owner. Ofuna ucreate wealth. Kunezinto angazenzi ezenziwayo ibona bonke abantu laba. Kunezinto nje angazenzi abadiscipline ukuthi angizenzi ke lezi zinto lezi. Yabo? Ngoba isenti nesenti ngiyalitrack ukuthi liyapi because I'm trying to build wealth la. I-wealth la ngiyayibuilda la. I-generational wealth la ngiyayibuilda. Acabanga njengawo wonke umuntu nje lo. Right kangikusizeke mina. Kunama 4 asset classes ekumele ucabange around wona. Mawucabanga in terms of ownership. Yiphi lo ma assets mapi? Real estate, paper assets, business, commodities. Own one of those asset classes ngalesi sikhathi. Ubingelelo changes akasho singenzeka noma yini, noma inini noma kanjani kunoma ubani ngoba impilo ayisiyona lento ucabanga ukuthi iyona. Possibilities are infinite in the universe. Your own consciousness is your own limitation. Kukude lapho esisuka khona futhi kukude lapho esiya khona. Beka phansi umoya ungatatazeli uyabona. Angithi wazuleke lawa ama 4 asset classes kade ngikhuluma ngawo. So ke you can't own them straight away as a working class nje or as someone who is in a poverty line. Yabo kana abantu abakwi poverty line. Yabo ngiyazi ukuthi laba abayi working class ibona abadidiseke kakhulu ngoba they think they are affording while they are not. Yabona into ethi credit score isuke kuvezela nje ukuthi wena uprofitable kangakanani kuma bank. Yabo hayi ukuthi mhlawumbe isuke itrack ukuthi mhlawumbe ukwazi ukuphatha imali yini noma mhlawumbe uwealthy yini noma cha isuke izoveza nje ukuthi wena uprofitable kangakanani kuma bank. Yabona umuntu othenga izinto cash abamfuni akana credit history. Yabo mawuthatha izinto sikweletu bese usikhokha ngokusheshsha abakufuni lokho iyayehla credit score yakho ngobani awukho profitable kubona. Yabo ngelinye ilanga soxoxa ukuthi yini yakhe credit score yakho. Lalela mawucabanga in terms of ownership uzocabanga in terms of those 4 asset classes, not limited to, ne? Not limited to real estate, paper assets, commodities, business. Yabo ikuphi ke wena kuloko ozama uku-owner ikuphi ake ngikhulume ngalokhu kwe-business. Let me talk about the business a little bit. If I'm going to talk about the business, if we are talking about nento ezongiphazamisa la. Oh, alright. Uma sikhuluma ngebusiness zifundise ucreate ivalue la uhamba khona, buka izinto, buka ukwenzeka kwezinto, musu ukuvala amehlo nje. Ngisakhuluma nje ngale class ekuthiwa ibusiness la uhamba khona, vula amehlo ubuka ukuthi how do people make money. Uyazi ukuthi inconvenience iyakhokhelwa la emhlabeni. Abantu bafuna ukukhokhela inconvenience nje, abantu abazwane inconvenience. Wena try to create value. Yes, how do you create value? Uyabuka ama loopholes. Yabo ubuka ama loopholes hayi ukuthi wena nje uya enjoy nje kuphela. Like a mindset shift le ngikhuluma ngayo yokuthi how can I create value, because people want ukuze abantu bekwazi ukuthi befune i-product yakho noma i-service yakho more than imali. Umuntu abe willing ukuthi alose imali in order for him or her to gain i-service yakho. Think in terms of creating what? I-value. Think in terms of creating i-value ukuze ukwazi wenza njani ukuba ne-business. That's how. Bona abantu bonke bavule ama-container. Yiphi i-value oyi-create-ayo lapho? Manga ama-container adayisa lento oyidayisayo. Ikhona i-value lapho. Because the more i-supply increase the price here, now uzoyifaka khona lapho futhi. Awukho creative, awuwavulile amehlo. you are thinking in terms of i-consumer. Njalo into omuyibuka wena ujuli ukuthi hey lana nje njoba abantu bethanda ukupaka la, bethanda ukuzohlala la ema-parking. Angase nje ngivula i-car wash lapha bethi bephuza la ngibe ngishaya i-car wash lapha. Mangase nje njoba bayathanda kuyagcwala la mabepaka. Mase ngithola indawo ngithenge le ndawo. Ngicreate i-parking la. Bangene ngemali. Awuyibuki yonke lonto leyo. Ngobani ucabangisa kwe-consumer, yabo? Ayikho into othi let me look at it ngijule ukuthi la yini angaqhamuka nayo la, yabo? I'm just shifting your mindset lapho. I'm just shifting your mindset to think in terms of what creating value for you to be able to own what the business. Yeah? If we are talking about owning the real estate, real estate uyabona mangabe sikhuluma ngokuthi ungayi-immerse lapho because lapho kumele ukuthi ufunde ube nolwazi ukuthi wenzani. Uze umuntu ethi u-owner i-asset own umuzi wakhe ahlala kuwona, ugenerate malini umuzi wakho lo uhlala kuwona? Awugenerate imali, yabo? Ayikho imali oyi-generate-ayo. Akuyona asset lapho because it doesn't bring any money on a monthly or yearly basis. No, don't fool yourself. Uma uzokwenza a good credit, uzohamba uyokwenza i-credit ukuze ukwazi ukuthenga i-property, yabo? Ukuze ukwazi ukuthenga i-property ezokungenisela ini imali. I-good credit ke leyo. That is how you try to own lento yani i-real estate. Uyambona umuntu ocabanga in terms of ownership engahamba ngeenyawo. Yes, ahambe ngeenyawo. Kodwa angayi ukuthatha i-loan yokuthenga imoto, athatha i-loan yokuthenga umuzi, noma athatha i-loan i-mortgage nje, yabo? Sisho njalo, thatha i-mortgage. Lapho a generate income. Yes, a generate income. Ukucabanga kwakhe is thinking in terms of what? Of ownership. Ngisho senawo umuzi afuna ukuthenga omunye umuzi because ufuna uku-own ama-properties, ufuna uku-own i-flat, yabo? Yena ukunokuthi mengena yena uyacabanga ukuthi labantu like siyabhuka nje sizolala la ehotela, they are generating some income, ne? La ehamba khona uyabuka ukuthi abantu bafuna ama-offices to let, ne? Umuntu mangasayi-ownele nje just that smallanyana piece nje, yabo? I-mindset leyo guys. La uhamba khona uvula amehlo uyabuka, how can I create value, how can I own this place? Kunehlathi la, ase ngilibhushe leli hlathi leli, ngicele nje permission yokuli-owner leli hlathi in one way or other. Le ndawo ngibhushe kahle vele kube yipaki la, vele kube yipaki la, ngoba ngiyababona ukuthi laba bantu banenkinga abayiboni indawo abazokwazi ukuchila kuyona, vele kube yipaki la. Ucreate i-value, that's how the business works. U-own indawo, yabo? Khona uzokwenza njani? Uzovula uzocreate i-value lapho. Abantu bayifuna indawo yokuthi ithiwa yini? I-recreation and what? Lezo zinto lezo i-recreation bayifuna indawo enjalo. So wena uyahamba, you try indlela ukuthi u-own leyo ndawo and then you create value, ne? You are creating i-value. Simple. Ehlathini indawo kade uyazi ihlathi, kodwa khona umuntu oseyithathile wayishintsha wayenza ini yayinto something omuntu willing ukuthi akhokhe ukuze angene kuyona. Uku-own indawo bafethu, that is why abelungu bevale kangaka. Uku-own indawo bafethu kuyinyama. Ngisho ukuthi u-own umhlaba nje, unga-own ngisho i-building, u-own umhlaba nje kuyinyama nje first lokho, kuyinyama lokho. Think in terms of it. Leverage, working class nina access kwini kuma-credits, ne? Lama credits anenza ukuthi nagcina ninezikweleti eziningi, kodwa lezi zikweleti azinifakile imali futhi. Instead of ukuthi ngabe nithathele leverage le mali yama-bank nayithatha nayo kwenza ngayo into ezokwazi ukungenisela imali, yabo? Njengoku-ownani lento engikhuluma ngayo. Masikhuluma nge-paper assets, buying i-share, i-paper assets leyo. Zama ushintsho salayo, awuhambe lapho uyothenga ama-share. Kunento ekuthiwa i-frictional share, usukwazi ukuthenga i-share in installments, i-share. Gcina own inqwaba. In 10 years unga-own inqwaba yama-share, uthenga in installments. Sengizoshawa isikhathi. Kuma-commodities, sikhuluma lapho ngama-gold, ngama natural resources ake ngivale la kwamanje vele